All right, check it out. Sorry, y'all, we got two batches going on. All right, y'all, look, check it out. So there's our copper. Sorry about that. We got two batches going on here, so we're having to switch back and forth. We'll get these other colors in also and bring it back and show you. All right, so there's my red copper. Okay. We got this guy. Right there. And then just in case, we have, so I need more of this because I need to dump this in at a different time frame. So this is still the original copper. I can get it. There we go. There we go. Put all this back up. All right, now we're gonna get these mixed up. We'll bring y'all right back. All right, y'all, so look, we're good. We're letting these sit here and idle just for a second, okay? 78, 77.5, 77.5. That way we can keep an eye on them. Nothing's gonna happen to them because we're watching the temperature flow. So I just need them here. Look at that. That's that red copper. All right, and then we got our original copper. So we're just leaving these on standby right now. I'm gonna go ahead with our big batch and I'm gonna get this poured out. Now this is no type of seal coat, so we want coverage on here. That's why I made another one, because I felt like this was gonna be short. All right, we're gonna go ahead and set this one to the side. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this right here real quick, and I'm gonna get this worked. Just kind of spreading across here. Those edges real well. You're gonna waste some, it's gonna happen. We're just trying to get it all spread real nice and even. That's why I have more copper on standby. There we go. See how that black plays a role in our backdrop. I will get that on here shortly. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this red. Just trust me. Everybody always freaks out right now. Oh, wow, whoa. Just trust me. Get a little bit of this strung on here. That looks good. Now I'm gonna take some of this one. here in a second is where we want our, and we've got plenty of these colors left. See, that's why we went down with the copper first. That's gonna be our predominant. These are gonna lay on there. I still have them to work with. We still have the other one here. This is where I'm gonna take my copper, we're gonna blast this guy. Look what cool stuff he's doing. Now I'm gonna take some of the red. Some of that red copper in there. Now, take another one of these here. Trying to work all these in. Just to bring some tones into it. All right, so there's our tones. Tones ought to pull through there real nice. We switch over. So I'm going to take this down in my copper so that it's already got something on it.